Want to turn your more visitors into subscribers on your YouTube channel? Then follow these steps. I'm about to show you a quick and easy hack that makes subscribing super simple, and it only takes 2 minutes to set up. So this little trick creates a custom link that automatically prompts anyone who clicks it to subscribe to your channel. It's a great way to boost your subscriber count right from your homepage or even in your video descriptions. So step one, go to your channel's homepage. So here we are. This is what it looks like on mine. So as you can see, there's a small pop-up that says confirm channel subscription. Are you sure you really want to subscribe to Greg Beasley? And then an option to subscribe. So we're going to set this pop-up to appear on your channel. First thing to do is you're going to want to take note of your YouTube channel URL. So here's what you do. So press into that address bar, okay? And then type the following, question mark. We're going to do SUB underscore confirmation and then equals 1. Okay. So once you've done that, copy all of that. All right. Okay. And then we're going to go into the dashboard of your channel. To do that, you're going to want to click on to your videos. Okay. And then scroll down until you see customization down here. Go to profile and scroll down till you see links. Okay. And what you want to do is in the first link, you want these will subscribe free, and then paste in the link that we just created for your channel. If you don't have any links already appearing here, click this button here to add link. It's important to make sure that this subscribe free is the first link that is at the very top here if you have other links. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to publish the changes to your site. So you'll go over here and click this button. And then what will happen is you'll then see on your homepage, this will be the first link visible on your channel. So this is what others will be seeing as well. And also when it comes to videos, so here's an example of one of my videos. As you can see at the very bottom of your description, you've got my other videos, about, and the subscribe free button here. Okay, that's the one that we just created. So super simple way to increase people's chance to subscribe to your channel. All right, I hope that helps and good luck.